How to use Sora AI to make money. I'm going to show you how you can easily use Sora AI to make money. Content creators can monetize videos generated with Sora through various strategies. With the popularity of online video platforms, there are several avenues to explore for monetization. By uploading videos to platforms like YouTube, creators can generate income through ad placements and views. Companies are often interested in collaborating with content creators to promote their products or services through sponsored videos. Sora-generated content can be repurposed into educational materials that can be sold on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Content creators can create exclusive content and offer it through subscription models on platforms like Patreon, providing additional value to their audience. By licensing their Sora-generated videos to media outlets and content platforms, creators can generate revenue. By leveraging these strategies, content creators can tap into the full potential of their Sora-generated videos and turn their creativity into a profitable venture.